Hey everybody, Hardscape Nate here, Rosetta Hardscapes. Joined with me is Declan Hopkins of Cornerstone Siteworks, and we are on one of his projects here in Statesville, North Carolina. And it is one of my favorites, and that has to do with a brand new product that I'm happy to say that you were the first to lay hands on, touch, and play with and install. And so far the only one, because well, this is the only project so far. And this is the Traverse Flagstone. So it's new, it's that irregular shape. It's meant to be irregular flagstone, but a little bit easier to install. You know, it's machine made, right?
Exactly.
So give me a little rundown. How many square feet to start with?
We got about 3,500 square feet of the flagstone products down on this site. It was a lot of fun to install. Like you said, first ones to do it. Once we got the hang of it, it took a little bit to really figure it out, because it is a little different.
When I know I'm partly to blame because it's new and we didn't necessarily have a ton of detail for you either. We were learning together.
Yep, so great number and letter system on it. So you just got to line up the letters and the numbers with the opposing units and you can drop it right in. So once we got going, took a little bit to figure it out, and then all of a sudden it just clicked and we were able to roll right through it.
When I love, because when I first came out, when you were starting on the other side, because this wraps all the way around, you guys were just starting at the one end.
Correct.
Working down, and I couldn't have been a half mile down the road and you're like, man, we're already to the end.
Yeah.
And I was like, holy cow. So I mean, that large area laid fast, which was super cool.
Right, especially if you've got 3 guys laying, 3 pieces on most layers, everybody grabs a piece, click them down, you got 6-7 square feet laid.
And the tabs make it a little bit easier. I mean, that's where obviously the letters and numbers are. Now, it's not just Traverse Flagstone on this project. What else do we have here?
So we've got the outcropping product, which is the main wall. We got about 4,200 square feet of that. The irregular steps we used as caps on the top of the wall. And then we got the 6-foot steps. Love the 6-foot steps, great depth, great width, real easy to work with in the landscape.
I love it because I've been on a couple of your projects and the 6-foot step is obviously your favorite because I'm seeing it on a lot. Now we just made that beautiful wandering, meandering path walkway down here, and there's been some fun stuff off to our right, and we started with it down there, that old, is it a 41? Is that
42 Ford.
42 Ford truck that has been refurbished into a beautiful water feature. Give me a little detail on this.
Yep, so this is about a 250-foot long river. We got 5 total pumps running it. It was kind of just a fun little add-on. We wanted to add a little noise, a little depth and dimension. So we got 2 rivers basically. One we just walked right over actually. It starts with this cool 12-foot water wheel.
Yeah.
And it runs underneath the walkway. So just a fun, cool project.
The detail work that you guys have done, the craftsmanship in the capping with the irregular step, the beautiful cuts that you've done on the irregular, because that's a challenge. I mean, doing curves with these kinds of shapes is such a challenge. Again, just 100%, man. Another fabulous project that you guys have done. Thanks for joining us. Declan Hopkins, Cornerstone Siteworks, out of the park, just every time. Thanks for joining us, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.